Class 2, How This Course Works. In this class, I'm going to explain exactly how the AC Tech Pro course works. This training is divided into 15 modules, and each module contains detailed video classes, step-by-step explanations, and one downloadable ebook to help you follow along and review later. Some classes are short, others are more advanced, but all of them are around long, so you can study even if you're busy or working during the day. You'll be learning through a combination of real human instructors and artificial intelligence, which means you can ask questions, practice scenarios, and get feedback instantly. We recommend watching the class, then reading the ebook pages related to it, and finally, reviewing with your AI assistant. You can study on your phone, tablet, or computer from anywhere in the world. Some of our students study during lunch breaks, others after work, and some even during the weekend. You decide your pace, you control your time. As you go through the modules, you'll build your knowledge, starting with basic tools and safety, then going into electrical circuits, installation, troubleshooting, smart thermostats, ductwork, and even how to prepare for the EPA 608 certification. At the end of the course, you'll receive a certificate of completion, but most importantly, you'll be ready to start working as a real air conditioning technician. So now you know this isn't just a bunch of videos, it's a full learning system made to help you succeed fast. Ready to get started?